Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. Okay, so here this is known as the DHT program. So here the sensor module, whatever we use it is DHT22. What is this DHT in the sense? Digital humidity and temperature sensor. There are two versions like 11 as well as 22. So here we have a 22 model. So within this particular model, we are going to measure both humidity as well as temperature. Only single sensor will be there. With the help of that single sensor only, we are going to measure the humidity as well as the temperature. So just a moment, I will show you that particular sensor now. So here I hope you are able to see this particular sensor, and this sensor has three terminals known as VCC, ground and data. Data pin is connected towards GPIO 21, and this particular VCC and ground has been connected towards 5 volt as well as ground respectively. So based on that particular function only, now we are going to write the program. So the program is very simple for this particular DHT, while compared to the analog to digital converter. Not only this particular sensor, all the sensors are very easy only. Sorry sir, I am not sure regarding with cloud computing and fog computing. The cost of the sensor, it depends upon the place you buy. The cost whichever I have ordered and brought it, it was around 300. In some place it may be low, in some place it may be high. It depends upon the place. Okay, so here I am calling the Adafruit file. So Adafruit is one of the famous cloud for embedded system as well as the sensors. So we have to call this particular file. This is not an inbuiltly available file. We have to install for that. So how to install in the sense? I will write that particular command for that. Sudo 3 install Adafruit _ DHT. Okay, so just use that command and paste it in the command prompt, or known as terminal. Press enter. Now it will be showing requirement already satisfied. Finally, that has been done. So in this way, we will be working with sensor. The name of the sensor is DHT22. Raspbian installed. Mr. Kiran sir, do you have Raspberry Pi with you? Then how it is possible to work with Raspbian? Raspbian is an OS. It is an operating system for Raspberry Pi. So this is the particular view of Raspbian OS. Now I am working with my Raspberry Pi only. So I have to import that particular header file, whatever I have downloaded or installed as a package. Then that particular file we have to include another one known as import time. So here time file is known as for applying delay function. Then I am calling my Adafruit sensor of DHT22 as a sensor. This is a user defined variable only. Then after that I am calling that particular humidity and temperature as a single section. So within this I am reading the entire Adafruit DHT to read the complete data. So the data will be read from the sensor through the GPIO. So here I have declared a GPIO in which I have connected towards the 21st pin, GPIO 21. Where is it? It is at the last, the 40th pin. So here only I have connected it. Then after that, to get a continuous data, I have provided the while true. So make sure here there is no curly braces like C or C++, only colon. After providing the colon, if you press enter, from there only you have to start typing the other set of line. Okay, otherwise if you cross this line towards the right side or left side, it will be showing you as an indentation error. Similarly, here if else condition, for that also same. Here there is no need of bracket, and here I have provided the condition. Okay, like humidity is not known and temperature is not known. If any one data is not available, it will be printing as failed to get reading. If only both the data are available, it will be printing the data. So here I have provided the print section to print the data in the shell window, and here first it will be printing the temperature and next it will be printing the humidity. Both will be printing in float kind of value only, like decimals, and this particular format only we have called here. So in that format, what it will be reading in the sense the temperature value and the humidity value. So if both humidity and temperature are available, it will be printing this, else this will be printing this particular value. And to provide some delay time, I have given time.sleep within bracket 1, and this 1 will be considered as seconds. Okay, so now I am running, and now we will be able to read only this particular room temperature. Yeah, the room temperature is about 26.8 degrees Celsius, and humidity of this particular room is 79.8%. Since this is a digital sensor, we no need to calculate any of the data. Within this sensor itself, all the creation of sensors or multiplier, adder, everything has been added. So in this way only it will be displaying both the temperature as well as humidity. Yeah, this code is written in Python only. See, you can see the symbol. But this particular code, it is not possible to work in laptop. You need Raspberry Pi to work this particular code. Python ideally only. You can also see here Raspberry Pi python.py. py will be the extension. Yes, we have opted for GPIO 21. How to connect Raspberry Pi with the system. Yesterday itself I have explained it. You can check with yesterday's video. VNC Viewer is a software like TeamViewer to connect the Raspberry Pi, because Raspberry OS will be defaultly installed with the VNC server. With the help of the IP address, we will be able to connect it within a common Wi-Fi. If I remove this particular while true, it will be printing only the data once. The common Wi-Fi for your laptop as well as your Raspberry Pi, not with sensor. This is just an embedded reading only. Still we have not applied any of the IoT over there. The Arduino programming is entirely different. In that it is counted as microseconds or milliseconds. Here it is taken as pure seconds. And don't compare the Arduino as well as the Raspberry with it. Both are in different kind of functions. That is only a controller. This is controller with processor. I will provide it as 3 seconds. For each and every 3 seconds it will be displaying it over there. So we have to calculate upon our requirement. So here we are using DHT22. The other model is DHT21. That model is little bit small and will be in blue color. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.